Breaking news. In 2013, 13 people were killed by being toppled over, crushed, or even electrocuted by vending machines.
These incidents were so unexpected, they were only predicting a snack, not death.
We have live footage from a security camera in a school district called Ellsworth School District.
The death of this young man greatly impacted the school. The school no longer hosts these deadly machines.
Strong evidence shows that these foods cause obesity, according to www.we'refat.com.
Over half of vending machine owners stated that less than 30% of their products were healthy.
73% of vending machines do not have a food policy.
The average vending machine snack contains as many as 253 calories, empty calories that is.
I'm fat!
I drink one of these every day.
Kids who drink a 250 calorie drink 5 days a week consume an extra 1,250 calories. That can make you obese, which can kill you. Thank you. That's all for today. Cause obesities.
I thought I'd be doing work.
Yeah, it's still recording.
The average